All right. Now finally, we can progress to single leg activities. So lifting up the opposite leg and performing the same activities but on one leg. A regular squat, squat with precision, utilizing all the lines on the flag, or a single leg squat, moving the laser back and forth. Out, in, and back up. Whew. Feeling the burn. Down to the next line, out, in, and back up. Progressing through with numerous repetitions as mentioned before, either 3 groups of 10 or until you get tired through that leg. We hope you find value in these and check out motionguidance.com for more information. Thanks a lot.